recently became a distributor for the FK BRNO. So what we decided to do was try to get those weapons and targets in the hands of special operators here outside of Fort Bragg at the Reservoir Training Facility. We have 3 operators out here that have shot the weapons from various distances in different situations, also shooting the TAT3D targets.
I was at Green Brave for about 15 years, operated in mainly Middle East as well as Afghanistan and other surrounding areas. I have an extensive background basically in counterterrorism.
When we first arrived at the training facility here, what we wanted to do was let them kind of warm up and watch them shoot and engage targets with the weapons that they're familiar with. And also that allowed us to do somewhat of a comparison. And that's one of the things we wanted to see firsthand here is just how they operate and then with their own weapons versus how they operate with the FK BRNO. What we did was a big reveal. They had never seen the FK BRNO before, so we had it in the cases on the table, allowed them to walk over and see it from firsthand, opening the boxes just to get the effect.
Got good balance.
Yeah, I like the sights. Look how narrow that front sight is. It's definitely for long distance.
Some of the Green Berets and the SMU guys were very happy with what they were seeing just right out of the box. The 7.5 millimeter round was another thing on the table that they got to look at and compare it to a 44 Magnum, a 40 caliber, a 9 mil. We went from the big reveal, getting them used to handling the weapon a little bit, to the flat range. Instantly after shooting their own weapons, what they realized was the power of this FK BRNO and the low recoil.
Pretty accurate. The trigger's amazing compared to the Glock.
Shooting the FK BRNO for the first time, really the minimum recoil of a 40 caliber was very impressive for such a size cartridge.
One of the things that the FK BRNO is supposedly able to do is shoot from 150 meters and hit its target, maintaining a rifle-like velocity of up to 1,200 to 1,500 feet per second. We proved that without question. These operators were able to shoot multiple targets from any distance, 25 meters out to 150 meters.
Basically, the ability to go back on target with that type of caliber and just minimum recoil was pretty impressive.
The initial impressions right after the guns were shot was that they had a high regard for the weapon. Almost immediately. The low recoil plus the power is something like they've never shot before. Performance-wise, over the Glock, they were really happy with it.